guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Thank you for subscribing. If you are a newbie, welcome aboard. Today we will be doing my go-to signature eyeshadow look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Hello everyone, I have done my base as well as primed my eyes and concealed them. I have also done my eyebrows. All the products will be mentioned in the description box below. I am using HUDA Remastered palette to achieve my signature look. Using Luxie 229 brush and shade Sandalwood from the palette, I am applying the shade all over my lid to start with. This will help to avoid any buildup or caked up eyeshadow look. Using the same brush, I am now using the same shadow as well and deepening the crease line, having a distinct transition shade. I am blending the product from the outer corner of the eyelid towards the inner corner using a light hand. To achieve the transition line, I am also using the shade Henna from the palette, and I am deepening the crease line. Again, going from the outer corner towards the inner corner, going very lightly as I go towards the inner corner. Using the same brush, I am now adding the shade to the outer corner of the eye to achieve a smoky effect. Using Morphe R37 brush and shade Moonlight from the palette, I am tapping the excess off and adding it to the middle of the eye to get a bling. Who doesn't like a pop? I also use the brush and put the shade almost all over the eyelid except the outer corner and the inner corner. To highlight the inner crease, I am using shade 24K from the palette with Morphe M421 brush. I am tapping the product, ensuring there is no fall off. Using a clean brush, Morphe R38 here, I am blending the product to ensure there is no harsh line as I want the eye look to be flawless. I will now go ahead and complete the other eye off camera. Using MAC 242 shader brush together with MAC Fix Plus, I am packing the shade in the middle of the eyelid to get the bling, or I'd say the pop effect. Using the Kat Von D gel eyeliner, I am now going to create a wing liner. I am drawing a rough, simple line to start with. Once the line is ready, I will go ahead and flick and create a wing and then color. So I ensure that I have a straight line and I love the wing that I am working on. Also, I am doing the other eye off camera once I complete the right eye. Excuse the lighting here. This is a reflection from my mirror that I'm using to apply the eyeliner. Using MAC 263 brush, I am defining the wing using Too Faced concealer. I love the shape when the wing is sharp and defined. I am now applying mascara to my eye before I add fake lashes. You always want to do this step as there's always some remaining eyeshadow on your eyelash, and adding lashes directly won't look good. I am using the roller lash from Benefit. For the fake lashes today, I am using Samantha from HUDA Beauty. This is so far the best lashes I've come across. I am using the tip of my finger to remove the lashes. I am using House of Lashes glue, and I'm applying it to the band of the eyelash, and I then wait for about 20 to 30 seconds before I put them on. I am applying the lashes using the VELOUR tool. This is the best tool I've come across the industry. It does not have sharp end, so you won't be poking your eye. I have a mirror in front, and I'm now closing my eyes, and I'm placing the lash in the middle of the eye and then pressing the lash on the outer and inner corner of the eye, making sure they are intact. I now have both the lashes on. For my waterline, I am using Morphe M420-1 brush with INGLOT gel liner. Since this product is very pigmented, I am taking very little as possible, tapping the product. I am now applying it to my waterline, and I'm just deepening the color as I like. Using Morphe E36 brush, I'm now using the same shade, and I'm just smudging the waterline. I am applying the mascara to my lower lashes now and ensuring the product is everywhere. Using the rukziee highlighter with Modern Minerals brush, I'm now just going to go ahead and give my inner corner of the eye the pop and also do my brow bone. So this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial with my signature look. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, like, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.